guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, I'm Jay Goldfinger, and as you saw from the title of this video, today we're doing a 2026 What's in My Bag. And for 2026, I bought a new bag, actually, from Gymshark. So we're gonna unbox this and then we're gonna pack it. If you saw my 2025 video, it's gonna be similar, but I added some new items to that. I'll post the one from last year around here somewhere. So let's get into opening my new bag from Gymshark. And this is the Active Holdall bag. For Tier 4 members, we got an email. I'm gonna show it here if I didn't delete it already. So we got an email and it pretty much said, hey, since you're a Tier 4 member, you are eligible for a free bag, and that's why I got a new gym bag. All I had to do was purchase something. So it was like a buy something, get something free. So I bought a pair of socks and I got this beautiful $50 gym bag, I believe. I'll put the price up here. Let's open it up. It's black. It has the Gymshark logo right there, or the Gymshark writing. Everything is packaged so well. Really nice. It has a strap here. Let's open it up. Holy, it is big. Honestly, I went on a ski trip to the Poconos in January, and I didn't have a bag like this. So it's gonna be like the perfect duffel for the gym, but also for a weekend trip, because look how big it is. This is the biggest gym bag I own. It has this one packet. I can see myself throwing my keys in here, my wallet. It has a shoe compartment, which is right here on the side. Put your shoes in here. I love when they have that because I am a runner. I run at the gym, but I also like to lift. And as you know, if you don't know, there is a difference between lifting shoes and running shoes. So running shoes have a cushion. So if you're doing, let's say, leg day at the gym, you don't want to wear something with a cushion. You want a flat shoe. So I usually have my Nike Runs and my Metcons, my Nike Metcons for lifting. So the first item I purchased for 2026, this is my year to get back into shape. I used to be very big into fitness. I would eat clean. I would go to the gym every day, which I have been doing. I've been very accountable this year. But if you hadn't seen me in a while, it's because I was getting my life together. I wasn't feeling the best. I was unmotivated. And I needed to go back to what makes me happy. And what makes me happy is gymming. This is a straight bar cable curl attachment. And it came with this attachment here so I could clamp it on cables when I go to the gym. The thing about me and why I invested in this is I don't see myself going to the cables at my gym just because the equipment is a little outdated, a lot outdated since I've moved to this building. I use building gym, and I don't believe they've updated any of that equipment. And I am a germaphobe. If you don't know that, now you know. I have OCD, and it was time for me to buy my own attachments. This is gonna be great, and it's different from the ones they have there. It has this nice little grip. You can get one of these on Amazon, you can get it on Shein, you can get it anywhere. Honestly, just Google it and you'll find a purchase link for this. And I can't wait to use this for my arm day. That's the first thing going into this bag. Just a disclaimer here, I'm not gonna bring this big bag to the gym every time. I still am very much gonna use my old bag, which in contrast, it's the Gymshark mini bag. This is my favorite gym bag from Gymshark. It's a mini barrel premium bag. And in here, I have these Kuban's Fitness heavy duty cable handles with the cable, with these clamps to attach it to the cable machine. Again, it's so hard for me to go to the gym and use items without wearing gloves. These are very thick and very grippy. These are going to be great to go to the gym with. And they came in this little bag. Again, you can purchase these on Shein, you can purchase them on Amazon. Just Google cable handles. Or if you don't have OCD and you're okay with using the ones at the gym, go for it. If your gym is more updated than mine, go for it. It's going to be a game changer for me when I do chest day. So in store for gym vlogs. I think you're seeing a pattern here. I've been buying cable attachments, so I got these cable ropes. This didn't come with the clamp, it just came with this. The one at the gym, the strings on the sides are fraying. I don't know who's touched it. It's very hard to clean these, so these are mine. Go on to the next item. You don't need all this if your gym is up to date. If your gym keeps up with maintenance, you're good, but not me. It's also nice to have your own items. I know that I'm the only person that's gonna touch these, so peace of mind. I don't know. I see so much stuff on the internet. It's gotten to me, guys. The next item is something that I included in my last one, are these cap gloves. What I like about these is I wear an Apple Watch, so they don't have a wrist strap. They just fit like this. I could still use my Apple Watch to track my exercise while using gloves. The next item is this towel. This one particularly is from Berries, but you can get any gym towel, any mat towel. I put this down on benches or equipment where I have to lay back, especially if I'm wearing a tank top. I don't want to expose my back to equipment, so I put this down and I lay on it. Just an added protection. Alright, my bag's getting pretty full. The next item I will go with is hand sanitizer. This is just Purell. Sometimes my gym runs out of hand sanitizer from the machines. I like to carry my own. Again, I like to feel clean and sanitary when I go to a public gym, so it's a must for me. I'm gonna put this in the little pocket that I was talking about where I put my keys. And to go with this hand sanitizer, some hand lotion. This is EOS and vanilla cashmere. This smells so good. Just gonna put this in the same little pocket. Bam. The next item I'm gonna go with is my inhaler. If you don't know, now you know. I suffer from asthma. I was born with it. It gets exercise induced, it gets cold induced. So I need to have an extra inhaler in my bag. I always carry one in my pocket, so just an extra one in case that one runs out. Always want to have it near me. I don't want to have an asthma attack at the gym. That's embarrassing, so that goes there. The next item my mom gave me is this this lint roller, so don't judge me. My mom gave me this. My mom gave me this lint roller. Haven't even opened it yet. I have cats, so sometimes like this, I'm wearing black. I want to clean the cat hair off me. Goes in the little pocket. The last item I'm gonna bring with me to the gym is a hat. I have this Bucky hat. This is my go-to gym hat. It's just a trucker hat. I love wearing a hat when I go to the gym. It catches all the sweat. I run a lot. Let's just throw that in there. And we're gonna zip it up. And it can still fit a lot more, but that's what my gym bag is full of. There are other items I could pack in this bag, but realistically, what I just packed is what I would bring to the gym. But if I was in a crunch or if I was taking this bag to work and I was going to the gym after work, I would pack these items. So if I was in a time crunch, like I was mentioning before, and I was at work and I had to go to the gym after work, I would pack my essential amino acid completes, my BCAAs, and I really like this flavor. It's strawberry banana. I don't know if these actually do anything. I like the taste. They're supposed to help with recovery and replenish electrolytes. I like the taste. Doesn't hurt me. The GNC guy actually recommended this one. And then something I take every day, I live by it, I've been taking it for years on and off, is Creatine monohydrate. And I use this one from GNC. I usually get the pills, but the guy at GNC convinced me to get the powder, and I think I'm gonna go back to the pills. I'm gonna finish this and go back to the pills. I'm having a difficult time putting this in water and drinking it. It all goes to the bottom. So if you guys have any tips, please leave them below. I'm gonna have to switch back to the 5 pills a day I was taking, but if you have any tips to how I can take this better, let me know. I know some people put it in smoothies. I don't make a smoothie every day. That's a lot of work for me, but let me know. So I'm gonna put these in my bag as well. Plenty of room in this bag, I'll tell you. If you're looking for a big gym bag, I can still pack this my puffer jacket for winter, shoes, extra clothes. This is the best gym bag ever, in my opinion. Well, I'm all packed now. I'm ready to go to the gym. If you like this video, give me a like. And if you like content like this, what are you doing? Subscribe. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.